The USU software team welcomes you here. We are engaged in the development of specialized software, and we are happy to bring to your attention a new generation program for animal hospitals. The program is launched with a shortcut on your desktop. Then a login window appears. Each user works under an individual login, which is password protected. Also, each employee has individual access rights to see only the information that is within their authority area. Individual authority is configured for managers, employees of the veterinary laboratory, sellers, if you have a store, accountants, and the head of the organization. We will enter the program under the main role to see all the functionality. Our program allows you to make preliminary appointments to vets. Such planning is convenient both for the animal hospital itself and for clients, who will not waste their valuable time in queues. In the main window, you see vet schedules. You can set any date and see what time you can offer to the client to make an appointment. In the demo version that you see right now, any time is available. Let's make an appointment. To do this, you simply double-click on the desired time. The client is not just randomly entered but selected from a single database that you have accumulated over the years. A well-structured database is the key to your success. If a client has already applied for your services, you can quickly find him or her by the first letters of the name or phone number. If a new client calls, right-click the Add command to add him or her to the database. After that, you just fill in the details of the pet and its owner. Your price list is in the service section, from which you can select all the services provided to the patient. The software not only generates an appointment, but also automatically calculates the total amount to be paid. To accept a payment, right-click on the desired patient and select the Current History tab. You will see those services that are rendered for the current day. You can also display the entire history if necessary and easily recall what happened to the patient some time ago. Let's return to the current history. Today we have made an appointment for the initial consultation. The price of the service is shown here. All that remains is to accept a payment using a special command. When accepting payments, specify the method of payment, in cash or by bank card. You can also print out a receipt, which will come out on a regular sheet of paper or a receipt tape. When the appointment is paid for, the patient will no longer be highlighted in red in the appointment window. Now let's have a look at how you can keep an electronic medical history. The vet will also see the current history of the desired patient. However, there will be no charges here, as the vet works with the Medical History tab. The first thing you can do in this window is to fill in a description of the illness. You can either enter the information from the keyboard, or you can create templates in advance, which will be on the right side of the screen. The diagnosis is selected from the reference book. Then you prescribe an examination and treatment plan. The information can be easily printed on the letterhead with the organization's logo and additional details. In addition to making appointments in the program, you can also store all ultrasound and laboratory results right here. You can set up an individual form for each type of examination, if required. Please note that there is also an option to keep warehouse accounting. If you have used some medicines, you can write them off. Write-offs will also be made automatically if you make a calculation for certain procedures. What does the manager get? The manager gets order in the management and full control. The director will be provided with a set of professional management reports to analyze the clinic's work. For example, the service report will show which service is more popular. The employee's report shows what employee brings more money to the animal hospital. If you reward vets with piecework wages for their good work, the program will automatically calculate them. It will be easy to display a list of the most promising clients who spend a lot in your organization. The marketing report will show you what kind of advertising works best and from where customers are most likely to find out about you. Note that all reports are generated for any period. You can easily analyze a particular day, month, or even a whole year. We have shown you only a small part of all the features available in the program. You can find more information using the contacts from our official website, USU.kz. We work with companies all over the world. Call or write. Find out how we can automate your organization. The USU software, manage your business properly.